We all have dreams and work hard to make them a reality. Our needs are many, but our income is limited, so we often miss out on fulfilling our dreams. However, if we do financial planning according to our income, then these dreams can be turned into reality. My name is Mohit Bhandari, and today I am going to suggest you some practical tips on how you can achieve these dreams by maintaining a balance between limited income and investment. The most important tip in financial planning is to make your budget as you start earning. You should have a written account of what is coming in and what is going out of your pocket. Make an assessment of what are you saving after spending. After this, make an investment plan. Before investing, create a plan for an emergency fund in your budget and decide as to from where will you bring the money in case an emergency arises. Have you created an emergency fund to meet any unforeseen expenditure in the future? Usually people forget it. They keep on investing without creating an emergency fund, and in case an emergency arises, they withdraw the amount invested, which should not be done. Adequate funds should be set aside to meet any unexpected expenses in the future. In today's era, getting a minor ailment treated in a good hospital can mess up your financial condition. The cost of treatment has become much more expensive than before, and it is rising day by day. Even if one member of the family falls ill, then sometimes a situation to spend the entire investment arises. So depending upon the city you live in today, take adequate health insurance. Insurance provides monetary compensation to the family in case of loss of income due to an accident or any unexpected situation. Assess your insurance needs and take insurance accordingly. It is best to take term insurance, which is the cheapest option of insurance. Investment plays the most important role in achieving your future financial goals. Long-term investments helps in achieving big goals. Also, your future generation gets financial security. However, many people use long-term investments in between. Do not do this. Do not touch any long-term investment until the goal is achieved. Normally, the youth have a habit of improving and making changes to their lifestyle and borrow money more than their capacity for repayment, which should be avoided. If you have taken a loan, then first of all focus on repaying it. Never take more loan than your repayment capacity. Your financial goals will be achieved only if your acquired property goes to the appropriate heir. Your spouse and children may have to suffer if you do not have a succession plan. Therefore, prepare a will for the scheme of distribution of property to your successors. Get your property insured from damage due to natural disasters. Do you plan your taxes at the beginning of every financial year? If not, then start doing it and put some amount in this as well. If you do this, you will not make any mistake at the last moment, and also you will not have any financial burden. Even after the implementation of your financial plan, keep an eye on the performance of its portfolio. In fact, most people do not focus on their plan and make mistakes which they have to bear. If you have invested somewhere and it is not performing according to your goal, then evaluate it and invest in another investment medium. Assessing will help you sharpen your financial plan further. The best way to succeed in your financial plan is to know how the money market works. If you learn, you will be able to take your decisions immediately. At the same time, you will also avoid mistakes that ordinary investors do. Another thing is that making a financial plan and implementing it are two things. The most important is to implement the financial plan. If you understand the money market, you will be more ready to implement your financial plan. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with others. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks for watching till the end and see you next time.